In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI 2025 update. Today we are diving deep into Canva AI. You can find the link in the description below. This isn't just a walkthrough, it's a power up for your design game. From making an image with AI to writing your first draft, resizing any image, and to removing backgrounds. Canva has evolved far beyond drag and drop. Now, with its AI tools, you can generate content with AI and create full designs. So, now let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to open up a document. So, go ahead and click on Documents to open it up. Now, the first AI tool we will be using today is Magic Write. So Magic Write is inside Canva Documents. Go ahead, click on it. This AI tool will help you write full text and blog posts. So for example, type in a prompt. You can tell the AI to write for you a blog post of whatever topic you want. Let's say for example, 1,000 words, and make it engaging as well. And after you do that, just go ahead, click on generate, or on your keyboard hit Ctrl plus enter. And now the blog post will be generated for you. Just give it a moment to load. The generating time is based on how many characters you used here. This AI tool is a game changer if you are especially a writer and you want to have free time to write many blog posts or articles. Magic Write will help you for sure. Now, as you can see, the blog post has been written. You can see if there is any errors or anything you don't want, just click on this, but you can add in anything you want to add to this blog post. For example, let's say we want this to be about cars. So go ahead, type in, make it about cars. Then click on generate. And after that, the blog post will change from its original content to this content we chose now. So let's give it a moment to generate. This is a cool part because you can keep refining it and until you are satisfied with it. And if you like this blog post that has been written for you, you can always make more like this, so you can create multiple blog posts about the same topic you chose. You can do that by clicking on more like this and the AI will create it for you. Now just hit insert and your document will be available here. So as you can see, there is a banner at the top and your text at the bottom. So this looks professional and easy to read. If you want to change the banner, just go ahead, double click on it, then give it some time. This Canva logo will pop up for you, which is basically just loading the banner editing window. You can also use this AI to write YouTube scripts, bios, and product descriptions. Now to change this banner, just go ahead, choose the one you want from here. Then click on add this template and replace the current one. If you are satisfied with it, just go ahead, click on save at the top right. And here you have it, a new banner as you like. And now the second tool I will show you is Magic Design. Basically, this will generate pictures, graphics, or even videos for you to put in this blog post or any document you want. So let's go ahead to the left, click Add Elements, as you can see here. Then just scroll down and you can see here AI Image Generator. Go ahead, click on Generate Your Own. And now you will have Magic Media right here. Magic Media is an AI tool that turns your prompts and ideas into ready to edit designs, graphics, videos, or images. Let's say, for example, we want to create a picture that goes with the topic the AI created for us. Let's choose the style we want. Let's say, for example, we want it to be a dreamy style. We can also change the aspect ratio from here. Let's choose a landscape so it can go with the blog post. Then click on generate. Now just give it some time to generate. This should only take about a couple of minutes. So let's give it some time. And now the AI generated images is here. You can choose whatever image you want and add it to your document. A couple things to know: these AI tools work with documents, images, and other things as well, so not just documents. Now let's go ahead generate a video with AI. So this is a cool feature as well. Just go ahead at the top right of Magic Media, click on videos, and then just describe what video you want. Let's say, for example, we type in the same prompt we gave for the images generator, and then after that just click on generate video. Now let's give it some time to generate. This should take a couple of minutes. As you can see, a brand new video inspired by your scene is being generated. These tools are perfect for posts and for websites as well if you want. You can also switch styles with one click if you want clean or edgy, minimalist, bold, or whatever you want. The AI adapts instantly. Perfect for social media managers and content creators. Now the video has been generated, basically of a car driving inside of a field. You can see that it fits the description. Just go ahead, paste it wherever you want in the document you have. And now there you have it, an AI generated video, all inside of Canva without having the hassle to go to another website. And now there is other tools I can show you as well. So go ahead to the home page. Let's talk about visuals. We can access the Dream Lab and start creating images from text with AI. So go ahead, choose make me an image that's located at the left, as you can see, or we can go ahead to the Dream Lab icon that's located at the left, as you can see here. These are basically the same. You can see here the pictures that has been generated by creators before. Dreamlab is different from the image creator we used before in the document. So go ahead and type in your prompt of the image you want. Let's say, for example, a big castle in a dream world. You can add an image to match the style to this, or you can select a style from here, as you can see. For example, we are going to choose one style amongst these. So go ahead and choose whatever style you want, from anime to dreamy to HD. In my case, I am going to choose this one, cinematic. You can also choose the aspect ratio, then click on create. And now the images will be created at the bottom. As you can see, they are generating. So these are the images that has been created for you by the AI. You can choose whatever one you want from them. You can upscale it too. As you can see, if you have a pro version, click on upscale. After that, just give it some time. So this upscale feature enhances your image quality. It enhances colors and everything. So now the image has been generated. You can see the difference between the one here. If you like it, just click on the download button. And now you can access the image whenever you want on your computer. And now just go ahead to the home page. There is another AI feature that has been created in the 2025 update, which is generating speech from text with AI. So by just typing the text, you can go ahead to the apps section and type in the search tab, text to speech, and click on the first option. Now the text to speech apps that's generated by AI will be available for you. You can integrate AI voice to your presentations or videos, so you can add life to your projects. You can use Canva's voice generator to narrate your slides and make it more interesting. Now go ahead, click on this first option. You can see here that you can use this on any existing design or use it on a new design. So in our case, we are using it on a new design. Let's say, for example, we are going to use it on a presentation. This is also great for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or any auto presenting videos. You can use whatever you want. In our case, we are going to use it in a presentation. So give it some time to load. As you can see at the left, you can write the text you want to be generated to AI. So go ahead, write anything you want. Just make sure to not exceed the characters limit, as you can see at the top. After you do that, you can select the language, select the voice from these lists of available voices. You can select the volume, speed, and pitch as well. Now you can preview the
With
speech.
cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
So you can choose whatever voice that suits your presentation or video. Now, if you are satisfied with the voice, you can just go ahead, create audio, just click on it, and the audio will be generated for you. So after you do that, as you can see, the audio has been generated and it has been added to our presentation. Now we can also do another thing. You can right click on the voice that has been generated. You can sync it to Beach or copy it and paste it in another document. Now I am just going to choose a presentation template that has already been made to preview how the voice will look in the presentation. So I am just going to choose this one, for example. And now the presentation is ready to go. You can also make an AI generated presentation. So let's go ahead, click on present to see how the voice looks in the presentation. Now just click on present, then give it some time to load.
Hello, nice to meet you. This a text-to-speech sample I voice.
So as you have heard, this is the voice that we have generated, all previewed in a presentation. So this is a cool feature to have in Canva. Now let's go ahead check another AI feature that has been created in 2025. Let's go ahead to the home page. Now, if you look closely, you can see that there is a purple button which is Ask Canva. This is an AI powered help system. This is an underrated gem, real-time collaboration powered by AI. So you can ask it whatever you want. That's if you want AI opinion on a color or on a template you want to create. You can ask it to suggest a color or a logo or a design for you. As you can see, it's an instant reply, ready to help you at any given moment. So make sure to try it as well. Now, another premium feature that you can try if you have an upgraded plan is to remove backgrounds. Now, you can go ahead, click on remove backgrounds, and if you have any image that has a background you don't want, or you want a vector version of the image you have, you can just go ahead, choose one of your uploads or upload another file. So go ahead, click on upload, then choose the picture you want. Let's say, for example, your image has a green screen, so AI can help you remove the background easily if you want. So click on it, click on next, Then just give it a moment to load the canvas for you. Then you will see your image pop up here, and at the left, the background remover will work for you. So this feature is only for pro users. As you can see, the background has been removed instantly with perfect results. So if you like it, you can resize it as well and move it around. You can also integrate other AI features by clicking at this button at the bottom left, which is quick actions. You can see here all the AI features you have already used. Now let's go back to the home page. The last AI tool I am going to show you is to resize any design you have. This is also a pro feature, so go ahead, click on it. You can resize any image you have or design or anything you want. Let's say, for example, the design we have created before. We want to resize it to an Instagram story size. So let's go ahead, choose the Instagram story. We can resize this design and you can see here the preview. If you like it, click on resize. Now the design is an Instagram story ready to go. You can also go ahead, click on the inside image. You can resize it and make it fit your story. This is a fantastic feature to use. So there you have it, a full walkthrough of how to use Canva AI in 2025. Let me know in the comments which feature you are excited to use. From Magic Write, text to image, text to speech, to full presentations and videos. So I hope this video was helpful. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.